Good day, viewers. I am Stephen Akuneto from Kaduna Polytechnic from the Department of Survey and Geoinformatics. I made this tutorial video to enable surveying students to model terrain using this software called Sufer. We can also model terrain with our coordinates which you observe from the field, or coordinates which you download from satellite imaging using Google Earth. So to embark on this tutorial video, I would like us to create a folder in which our data will be saved in for quick access of the data using this software. So to create this folder, I'll right click, go down to new and to folder. Now my folder has been created. So I would like us to give this folder a unique name so that we can easily identify this folder. So I'll name it Sufer Tutorials and I hit enter. Now my folder has been created. So the next thing to do is to type our field data on Excel spreadsheet. So to type your field data on Excel spreadsheet, it goes this way. Now I've typed my field data in this sequence: ID, eastings, northings, and height. So we type our data in this format. So after our data has been typed in this format, we save our data by clicking File and Save. So let's save our data on that folder which we created earlier, and we created that folder on desktop. So I click desktop and I search for the folder. So I've seen the folder Sufer Tutorials, so I open it and I save my data. So let me also save my data with this unique name, contour data, and I save. Now my data has been saved, so I close. So let me check. So my data has been saved, contour data, in the folder Sufer Tutorial. So let me close. So we go back to our Sufer software and we'll open. So as my Sufer software opens, so this is the interface of the Sufer software. We can model our terrain using contour map, using post map, or any of these tools. We can also model our terrain using 3D surface, that is 3-dimensional surface. So to embark on this, we'll create a grid file using the data we created earlier. So to create the grid data, we click on this grid data and we search our folder which is contour, this is Sufer Tutorials. I click open it and I select my data, contour data, and I open. Now my data has been opened. I have to arrange my data in this format in which the software will understand. X, which is eastings, Y, which is northings, and Z, which is height or elevation. So to view my data in which which I've saved earlier, to view if they are typed in this sequence, I'll view my data and you see eastings is typed on column B, northings is typed on :C and height is typed on :D. So I close them. So I arrange them in that format. So Eastings, which is on :B, Northings, which is on :C, and height, which is on :D. So you can see my data has been arranged, and you will see the newts are closely equal, 173. So I click OK. Now my grid report is being prepared by the software. So as the grid report prepares, okay, it has been prepared. I click OK and I close. It says save changes to grid data. I said no, I don't want to save it. So my grid data has been created. For me to create my contour, I go to my contour map by clicking on this icon, and now this was the grid data I was created. So I click on it and I open. Now my contour line has been created. So we can also edit the contour lines. We can smoothen the contour lines by going to this. I click and I hide the smoothing of the contour line. I can also change the contour interval by clicking on these levels. So now the contour interval is on 0.5 meters. So I can change it to 0.2. I edit. That is 0.2. Enter. Now you see the contour lines are merged this time. So I have created my contour map, and I can also save my contour map by exporting it so that I can continue my editing using AutoCAD. So let me close these grid lines. Now I have only my contour which was created. So to export this contour, I come here, I click my file, I click my export, which has the short key Ctrl-E. I click on it, and now you see it is also saving in Sufer Tutorials folder. So I change the type of the file to DXF AutoCAD drawing. So I click on it. Now it will save as AutoCAD drawing, in which I can continue to edit my work using AutoCAD. So let me save it as contour map. Now it has been saved, it has been edited, so I save it on my folder which I created earlier. Save. I OK. Now it has been saved. Close this. Go back to my Sufer Tutorials folder, and this is it. Thank you for watching. I hope you've learned a lot.